Hello, and welcome to Data247. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account, fund it, and start processing transactions. So let's start by signing up. Click here to sign up for a free account. The free trial adds a small amount of money to your account for testing purposes. If you find you need additional money for testing, just open a help desk ticket and we will add additional funds. Before you begin, we recommend you read our privacy policy and terms of service before signing up. So to sign up for a free account, enter your name and email address, and you will receive an email with a link to our sign-up process. The sign-up form will ask for additional information, including address and contact information, and will also ask you to create an account password. Once you are registered, you can log into your account. As you can see, you have a beginning balance of 15 cents for testing purposes. Data247 is a prepaid service. This means you must always have money in your account before you can process transactions. So if you wanted to add additional funds, you would select Payments, Add Funds. Once you add these funds, your account will go from a trial account to a production account. This means you will be charged $12 a month plus transaction fees. You can see a list of all our services and their transaction fees under Payments Pricing. On this page, you can see all of the lookup fees per service. So for example, our TechStat service is half a penny per lookup, and our Append 24/7 email service is 4 cents per lookup. So now let's go to the Add Funds page. Here you have the option of paying by credit card or PayPal. Please note that the monthly membership fees and the transaction fees come out of the same pool of money that you are adding here. So if it is the beginning of the month and you are adding $100, $12 will be deducted for the monthly fee, and you will end up with $88 in your balance, which you can then use for transactions. You also have a few other payment options. When making a payment, you have the option of saving your payment for easy one-click purchases, so you don't have to re-enter your payment information the next time you add funds. The other option is auto recharge. You can turn on auto recharge if you would like to have your account balance automatically refilled when it reaches a set low balance amount. The button is currently grayed out because you can't turn on auto recharge until you have made an initial payment and selected the Save My Payment option. If we click over here, we can view a paid account where auto recharge has been turned on. Click on the settings arrow and it will show you the payment source and how much will be charged when the balance falls below a certain amount. You can change these amounts at any time by clicking on the Save Settings button. You can also see that there is a Saved Payment section, which allows you to submit a payment using this saved credit card. Click on the Update Payment button, and here you can delete a credit card, or you can add a new credit card information or update your existing card information. So once your account is funded, you can start to do some transactions. So let's go to the Service Transactions menu and select Manual Transactions. This page allows you to run transactions manually one at a time. So for example, we could choose our TechStat service, enter a phone number, click the search button, and here you can see your results. So this is a one-by-one manual entry service. Now if you want something a little more efficient, you can use our File Upload utility under Service Transactions File Upload. Here you can upload an entire file of data and we'll be able to process it using the service you select. So let's say, for example, you had a spreadsheet with 100,000 phone numbers. You could upload that file and we could process them and send you back a link to the processed file without you having to enter each phone number one at a time. So let's see how this works. Let's start by choosing the service that we want. And in this case, we'll choose TechStat. Listed here are additional add-on services and their price per lookup. For example, if in addition to getting carrier name and SMS addresses, you also wanted to know whether your phone numbers were active and in service, you could select the Verify 24/7 phone number service. And in this box are the free optional return fields that can be appended to your data file. We'll select Type, which will tell us whether each phone number is landline or mobile. If you are a Successors Data customer, you can click here to say you are uploading a Successors Data format file. You will also need to enter a valid email address, and make sure that this email address is valid, since this is the address where your result file will be sent. Max number of records is an optional field. Let's say you had a large file of phone numbers and you only wanted to process the first 1,000 of them. You could enter that number here, and we would only process the first 1,000 records. So now let's click Continue, and it will bring you to the upload page where you can upload your file. Here it shows us that the file service that we selected was TextAt, and that the required field for TextAt is phone number. So the file that we upload must have phone numbers in it. Uploaded files must be in Excel or CSV format. If it is a text file, all data must be comma delimited with 1 line per record. So here is a very simple example of a text file called phonenumbers.csv. As you can see, it contains the names, email addresses, and phone numbers of 5 different contacts. Each contact is on a separate line, and their information is separated by commas. So I'm going to select this file and then click on Continue. It now shows me a preview of my file, and it tells me that the required field that I need to select is phone number. So over here in this column, I will select phone number, and I don't need to do anything with these other columns since TextAt doesn't require this information. So now I will click Upload File, and I receive a success message saying that I will receive my results via email once my file is processed. So for more information on our file upload utility, you can view our file upload tutorial on our website. Finally, for our advanced users, we have API integration, which means you can use our API to integrate our services into your existing software application. To learn more about the Data247 API and how to integrate our services, check out our video tutorial on the website, or you can go to Support API Documentation. So that's how you get started with Data247. If you have any other questions, feel free to open a help desk ticket on our website. Thanks for watching.